whatever you want to call it.
Regular order,
it's
please.
It's a free phone to some people that's paid for by other people. And those other people that are paying for that service, when they see the fraud and abuse and the waste in this program, get incredibly angry. And to discount that anger of hardworking taxpayers who are seeing their cell phone bills go up, knowing that some of that money is being used to pay for somebody else to get free cell phones, in many cases in violation of the law itself, they have a right to be angry. And their anger is very justified when they look at the dramatic increase over the last few years of the cost of this program. And I want to ask you, Ms. Veach, because it's being considered by some, and there's legislation filed to expand this into broadband. I think that should tell you that if they filed a bill to expand it into broadband, it means that the law shouldn't currently allow you to provide broadband services for free to some people at a cost to other people. If they're filing a bill to try to make that legal, yet in your own testimony you talk about a pilot program that y'all have already started, to extend it to broadband. Under what legal authority, first of all, with all the fraud, waste, and abuse in the existing program, what legal authority do you have to actually broaden it even more? And whether you want to call it an Obama pad or a Bush pad or whatever you want to call it, you're already expanding this program into an area that the law doesn't say you can expand it to. And in fact, when our colleagues on the other side file a bill to do this, they're implying that you don't have the legal authority to do it today. Where is that legal authority coming from?
Thank you, Congressman. As you say, we have taken a small piece of the savings from the other reforms.
How much?
$14 million to initiate a broadband pilot that will inform us by testing different technologies, different types of speeds and so forth to see what we can do to
Under what, you tell me what you're doing. What legal authority do you have to do it? $14 million of money that should be in the pockets of hardworking taxpayers to lower their cell phone bill. You know, and this is where we get to the, the overall abuse of the program, but also the overall public opinion of the program, because there, in Louisiana, a family of four making $35,000 a year is paying for this. They can't get the free phone. This is a family who made a decision. If they've got their own cell phone, and let's say they've got broadband at their house, they're paying for that with after-tax dollars that they worked really hard for, and they made tough decisions. They might not